Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about a very juicy topic. How can you make money in your business? So many DMs come into me about how you can make money quickly, how you've literally started your business 2 weeks ago and you want to know what to sell. So in this video, I'm going to try and break this down. How can you make money in your business, when to make money, and how you can make sure the money continues to grow in your business. The first thing I want to say to you is you need to be really clear about what you want and why you want it. If you've gone into business purely to make money, that isn't the right intention. You need to have a passion for serving others, helping others, or selling the product to make other people's lives more enriched. So you need to sit with yourself and think about, why did you start the business? What is it that you want to create? And it's not just about financial abundance. It should be, or could be, about freedom, flexibility, lifestyle, happiness, work-life balance. What is it that you want to create, and why are you creating it? And honestly, the only reason I say this is there are so many ways that you can make quick money and you can build the bank account, but at the same time you need to be thinking about the longevity and sustainability of your business. And the more you focus on the impact, the intention, the what and the why, the more likely that money is going to be consistent and also grow and expand, rather than just give you a quick fix, which is something that I never want you to be focused on or worried about. I want you to be thinking about the long game. Business is for life. It's not a quick sprint, it's a marathon. There needs to be pace to it, but ultimately it's all in your mindset. What is it you're trying to create, and why are you creating it? Number 2, you need to be constantly creating opportunities in your business. If you aren't creating things that people love and they want and they connect with, then you aren't giving people a reason to come back to you and your business. And when you sell something, they won't buy from you. So it could be freebies, it could be free audio trainings, posters, leaflets, however it is you want to work in your business, doing presentations and lives, podcasts. You need to be creating those opportunities for your community and for your business. The more you show up and tell the universe that you are open to more money, you are open to more financial abundance, the more likely it's going to happen. So you need to also think and break down your quarters. You could break it down per month, but what are you launching? What are you offering? What are you selling? You always need to have something that you are giving your fullest to and create those opportunities in your business. So, for example, I have my one-to-one coaching. I have my group coaching program, which is about to start, called Impact. And then on top of that, I run different things throughout the quarters to increase my income, but also create opportunities for my business and me to serve more people. And that is ultimately what you're trying to do. Create opportunities for you and your community to increase their experience and your income and your empowerment and your message and your impact at the same time. This should be a simultaneous relationship, and one that you work really, really hard to enhance and nurture. Number 3, some of my clients, and as you know, I do business coaching as well as anxiety coaching, really struggle with selling themselves short. If you have experience, knowledge, and amazing things to share, it's your duty to offer that to other people, to share with them. Don't sell yourself short, and don't stop telling people what you're doing. If you have something you want to sell, tell people about it. And do not think about how much you should charge. Think about how much you are worth. How much is your knowledge worth? How much is the experience of spending time with you worth to them? Don't sell yourself short. That's a huge mindset shift that you need to make. Don't sell yourself short and not tell people what you have to offer. My next top tip. You need to be creating structure and plans in your business, and you shouldn't be doing this ad hoc and really, really spontaneously. So in April, this is what you've earned. Okay, what can I do in May? You need to have plans in place so that you know what's coming. You can set your audience up. You can set yourself up. You can start to do the back end work. You need a plan. So I would expect you now, when you're watching this video in April, to know what you are going to be doing in May, June and July for your business to build your income and build your impact. So what are you launching? What are you selling? What are your products? What are your services? What are your costs? How will you tell people? What are your launch strategies? How are you going to be selling those products in May, June and July? These are things that if you haven't got in place, I highly recommend you go away from this video and plan and structure your business in order for the money to flow. Structure and plans make a huge difference to me, but also to my community, because they feel like they know what's coming, and you don't go through this phase of sell, 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 and then disappear, sell, 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 disappear. You know how to create that organic relationship in your business so that you are creating opportunities, you're creating impact, and you are creating an income because there is a plan in place. If you want to make money in your business, and there are so many ways I could say this to you, but if you want to make money in your business, you need to be thinking about the people that you are serving, the impact you want to make, and the difference that you want to experience in your life from now and in the future. You can't be in a situation where you're just chasing the dollar bills or the pound signs or the euros, wherever you are watching this. You can't be in that situation, and if you are, that does need to change, because otherwise you're going to find yourself in a situation where you feel dissatisfied because you've earned the money but you haven't made the impact, or you haven't created those relationships. So sit with yourself on that, and I have got more videos to come on money mindset and how to welcome more money and plan to create more money, but I wanted to give you this as a starting point to really focus you on how to make money in your business in the long game, and not focus on that 1k, 5k, 10k month and then nothing. And then you have these big highs and lows in your business. You should be making 1k consistently, 2,500, 5,000, you get the picture. If you're not creating that consistency, your business will constantly feel like it's a success, failure, success, failure. I don't want that for you. So use these tips and everything else I'm going to offer on this channel to change your mindset, change your business, change your impact, and change your income. I'll see you on the next video.